please pass the ball. You look like new to the school. Are you?
Yeah, we are new. Can you please take us to tour of this school?
Oh sure, with immense pleasure. Please follow us.
Our school wasn't built overnight. It started decades ago with a vision for great education.
What is it really like here?
It's a place of legacy and belonging. You'll find amazing friends, inspiring teachers who genuinely care, and endless opportunities to explore things you never knew you loved. The academic pressure is real, but the support system is even more so.
So, it's not just about academics.
Absolutely not. Our school emphasizes holistic development. It's about learning to be a good person, a responsible citizen, confident leader. The values we learn here stay with us even after we graduate.
Excuse me, could you please tell me about this bus?
Definitely yes. Murari Rao Yashwantrao Ghorpade sir was fondly known as MYG sir, was the former ruler of Sandur. And to portray more about him, he was the founder patron of our Sandur Residential School.
To add on, he was a philanthropist, loved to spend time among kids. He also was a compassionate leader, admired for his discipline, humanity, and dedication to the welfare of his people.
Here we are where memories of ages are clambered, gradually established and paved a way to a long-lasting memories. This was the first step for starting a long journey. The open-air theatre, chief cornerstone where every student's step engraves. Our legacy of 65 years began here.
Moving on is the age-old world of knowledge, the library, the treasure trove of SRS, housing 7,000 books, meeting every nook and corner of hidden treasure.
Well, what is it? I haven't seen anything as such.
When it comes to English lab, we proudly trumpet that he was the first person to establish one of a kind in Karnataka at Sandur Residential School.
English lab was his baby, where he nurtured, pruned, fine-tuned and made ready many young minds to compete the global worlds.
Another masterpiece of SRS is Golden Jubilee Hall, an amphitheatre established to commemorate the legacy of 50 years of SRS. Amazing! N number of photographs here. Were these a part of MYG sir's album?
MYG sir was a perfectionist. He garnered many hobbies, and among the many wildlife photography and teaching young minds was his favorite.
He also has won national and international awards for photographies. To name a few: sunlight and shadows, still and motion capture.
Exotic vibes, a shimmery of magical dust. Wait, let me guess. Is this the Diamond Jubilee block?
Absolutely. Know the wonderful journey of our SRS.
Murari Rao Yashwantrao Ghorpade sir joined National Congress organization in 1954 and took keen interest in rural development.
He served as President of Sandur Town Panchayat and Cooperative Society in 1958.
When Pandit Nehruji ensured that he was given Congress ticket and thereafter elected again as member of Legislative Assembly from Sandur.
MYG sir was first time elected in the Karnataka Legislative Assembly in the by-election of 1959.
Surely 7 times, generally in 1962, 1967, 1972, 1989, 1994, 1999.
Today, SRS stands tall, walks tall, donning heaps of laurels and triumphant feathers in the cap.
The vision of our beloved MYG sir moves on and on. Today, tomorrow, forever and ever. SRS lives on.
A heartfelt tribute to our beloved MYG sir. Sandur is my karma bhumi, to which my life is dedicated.